Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2008 Toyota Rav4. We're gonna be changing the front differential fluid. This will be a quick drain and refill. Let's crawl under. If you have a plastic cover underneath, we wanna remove that. Looks like mostly 10mm bolts around the perimeter, and in the back, looks like there was supposed to be something as well, but mine is just zip tied in place. So just look around, see what fasteners there are, and we'll pull off this plate. I think that's all the fasteners. We'll just pull this down, slide it away. There we go. That gives us perfect access to our drain plug and our fill plug. Let me set you down, we'll crack those loose. This is a 10mm Allen. Let's see if my ratchet will fit in there. Looks like it might be too long, but I can definitely get this one. I'm just gonna crack it loose. I'm not gonna drain anything yet until we know we can get our fill off. So just crack, make sure it's in all the way. Woo! Got it, that's loose. So I just got a standard Allen, put that in. Get that in all the way. Crack it loose. Okay, got it. Another thing you can do is if you have an Allen socket, this is a 10mm Allen, so a 10mm wrench will fit just like that. And now we just have a different tool, a little shorter, we can fit in, and that too will work. So you just have options. I think my ratchet head is just a little too wide or a little too fat for it to fit in there with the socket. So this is an alternative. Or you just have your standard Allen key. Let me get my catch pan real quick. I'm gonna pull the fill plug out all the way. That'll facilitate draining. There we go. Oh, got some fluid coming out. Now let's get our drain. And fluid's not too bad. We'll just let that drain until it's a light dribble or a drip. Our drain plug is magnetic, so we'll wipe that tip off, and we're looking for any metal chunks. Now a little bit of sludge, just a little bit of that is okay. We just don't want any chunks. We'll wipe this off real good. Nice, we're just dripping. We're gonna put a new washer on our plug, put that in. And if yours is extra caked, maybe you live in a muddy place or you just like going off-road a lot. If this is caked, we just wanna clean it off really good before removing either of our plugs. Tighten this up. Clean it off just a little. We're gonna get dribbles out of our fill. So let's get set up for that. Our recommended fluid is 80W90. I'm gonna be using a fluid pump. I find this to be the best method. Let's crawl back under. We'll feed our hose in there. And we just start pumping. And we just keep pumping till we get a good steady stream coming out of that fill plug. Okay, that finishes up my partial bottle. I'll get a new bottle going. All right, looks like we're coming out. Nice steady stream. Pull our hose out, just let it drip. All right, we cleaned off our fill plug, got a new gasket. Now sometimes these gaskets can be reused once or twice, but getting a fresh new gasket will ensure it seals. Get that tightened up. Wipe it down real good. We want to be able to identify any leaks just in case our washers didn't seal up. That looks pretty good. All right, that's it. In the next couple of days, come back under, double check that everything is good, and you're done. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.